Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yes, I have. I mean, Bitcoin is everywhere.
I don't hear am now.
I'm not Bitcoin boom. Ihe ego. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n máa ń rà á látorí kọ̀ǹpútà wọn tàbí orí fóònù wọn láti fi di owó mọ́lẹ̀.
Have you heard of Obiex?
Obiex.
I don't hear am.
Here, this is our app. Try buying Bitcoin.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you.
That's the app, say fine.
I just got my first Bitcoin from Obiex.
No, I don't buy $100.
Komai sauki, komai a cikin ruwan sanyi.
Amma dum not in photo.
That's easy.
Experience crypto with ease. Download the Obiex app now.
Mo ti ra tó ní $100. Hey!
Hello, welcome to the city of Enugu. My name is Machi and I'm here with Obiex. So today we are going to be finding out what Enugu people know about cryptocurrency. So stay with us. Have you ever heard of cryptocurrency?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I do. I know some few things about cryptocurrency.
I've actually been hearing about cryptocurrency, but I don't really know anything about it.
Yes, I know a few people who are into crypto.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah, of course. I'm into it.
So what do you know about it?
I don't really know much about it, but I know it's about Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrency is an online exchange currency. It's not a physical currency.
Well, cryptocurrency is a kind of a changing life trade.
If you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
It's a digital currency used to trade.
Cryptocurrency is like,
hey, y'all, come look at this.
I don't really know how to get too deep into it.
Are you into cryptocurrency?
No, I'm not.
For me, I'm into cryptocurrencies. Just that when the fall of BTC, so no more. I don't find any interest in doing it unless when maybe the high comes up.
We don't know why it's going on.
I recently started getting into cryptocurrency with a friend of mine, so it's not as easy as I thought it would be.
Who taught you that?
Okay, so which cryptocurrency are you invested in?
I've done with Ethereum, BTC, that's normal Bitcoin, everybody knows. And there's a new one that came out, they call free coin.
I know about agri coin.
Do you know the meaning of supersonic locomotion?
I don't know.
Okay, that exactly is the name of the offense you have just committed.
Bitcoin, we have the Ethereum, we have the coin cash, we have a lot of them, I guess.
If we offer you 2 Bitcoins and 1 million naira, which one are you going to choose?
Bitcoin.
You don't know anything about crypto. How come you now know?
Because I know that I shall know that 1 Bitcoin is very expensive.
Take this your mouth and sit on it.
I'll choose 2 Bitcoins.
Why?
Business. Because I feel like that 2 Bitcoins, if it should, I don't know how to put it. I don't have more, but I know.
I didn't say it. You said it. Oh, I didn't say it. You said it. It's okay.
2 Bitcoins, definitely. 2 Bitcoins is about $40,000. Why 1 million naira is just about $2,000 or thereabouts.
So if we give you 2 Bitcoins and 5 million naira, which one are you going to choose?
2 Bitcoin. Now 1 Bitcoin I think is 21,000. That's approximately, I think, almost 10 million naira. I think. So I would prefer the two Bitcoin to that 5 million. It's a who 5 million help come.
You! Oh yeah, get out of my face.
Alright guys, it's a wrap for this Vox Pop. As you can see, Enugu people love money. Even those that don't know about cryptocurrency are choosing 2 Bitcoins over 1 million naira. How do you guys know that? Alright, don't forget to follow us at Obiex HQ on all platforms. See you soon.
How to refer your friends to Obiex. Step 1. Log on to your Obiex app. Step 2. Click on the More button. Step 3. Click Referrals. Step 4. You will be able to see your referral link, and you can also see your earnings from referrals on Obiex. Copy your referral link and share with your friends so they too can come experience seamless trading on Obiex. Simple. Good luck and happy referring.
Hey guys, my name is Linda, and with me is Amaka, my teammate. This is a day in the life of OBS customer support team. We work from our favorite cafe because neighbor can choose to show you shege sometimes. To get us started, we order for some coffee and snacks because we cannot fight our customers' battle on an empty stomach. Then we follow up on customers' issues from the previous day. After that, we start attending to customers' issues for that particular day. This involves us mainly dragging the technical team to get issues resolved because 100% customer satisfaction is our goal in the support team. At 1 p.m., we take a 1-hour break to cool off. Amaka spends her time on TikTok, and I watch my favorite show, Bridgerton, 10 over 10. I would recommend, guys. After that, we get back to work. We resolve more issues as they come. By 6 p.m., we close for the day. Our customers are happy, and we'll be on our way home. that is the day in the life of the Obiex support team. Bye, guys.
Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yes, I have. I mean, Bitcoin is everywhere.
I don't hear am now.
I'm na Bitcoin boom. Ihe ego. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n máa ń rà á látòrí kọ̀ǹpútà wọn tàbí orí fóònù wọn láti fi di owó mọ́lẹ̀.
Have you heard of Obiex?
Obiex.
I don't hear am.
Here, this is our app. Try buying Bitcoin.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you.
Sounds the app safe fine.
I just got my first Bitcoin from Obiex.
No, I don't buy $100.
Komai sauki. Komai a cikin ruwan sanyi.
Amma dum na din photo.
That's easy.
Experience crypto with ease. Download the Obiex app now.
Mo ti ra tó ní $100. Hey!
Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yes, I have. I mean, Bitcoin is everywhere.
I don't hear am now.
I'm na Bitcoin boom. Ihe ego. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n máa ń rà á látòrí kọ̀ǹpútà wọn tàbí orí fóònù wọn láti fi di owó mọ́lẹ̀.
Have you heard of Obiex?
Obiex.
I don't hear am.
Here, this is our app. Try buying Bitcoin.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you.
Sounds the app safe fine.
I just got my first Bitcoin from Obiex.
No, I don't buy $100.
Komai sauki. Komai a cikin ruwan sanyi.
Amma dum na din photo.
That's easy.
Experience crypto with ease. Download the Obiex app now.
Mo ti ra tó ní $100. Hey!
How to refer your friends to Obiex. Step 1. Log on to your Obiex app. Step 2. Click on the More button. Step 3. Click Referrals. Step 4. You will be able to see your referral link, and you can also see your earnings from referrals on Obiex. Copy your referral link and share with your friends so they too can come experience seamless trading on Obiex. Simple. Good luck and happy referring.
Hello, welcome to the city of Enugu. My name is Machi and I'm here with Obiex. So today we are going to be finding out what Enugu people know about cryptocurrency. So stay with us. Have you ever heard of cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I do. I know some few things about cryptocurrency.
I've actually been hearing about cryptocurrency, but I don't really know anything about it.
Yes, I know a few people who are into crypto.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah, of course, I'm into it.
So what do you know about it?
I don't really know much about it, but I know it's about Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrency is an online exchange currency. It's not a physical currency.
Well, cryptocurrency is a kind of a changing life trade.
If you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
It's a digital currency used to trade.
Cryptocurrency is like,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I don't really know how to get too deep into it.
Are you into cryptocurrency?
No, I'm not.
For me, I'm into cryptocurrencies. Just that when the fall of BTC, so no more. I don't find any interest in doing it unless when maybe the high comes up.
You don't know why it's going on.
I recently started getting into cryptocurrency with a friend of mine, so it's not as easy as I thought it would be.
Who taught you that?
Okay, so which cryptocurrency are you invested in?
I've done with Ethereum, BTC, that's normal Bitcoin, everybody knows. And there's a new one that came out, they call free coin.
I know about agri coin.
Do you know the meaning of supersonic locomotion?
I don't know.
Okay, that exactly is the name of the offense you have just committed.
Bitcoin, we have the Ethereum, we have the coin cash, we have a lot of them, I guess.
If we offer you 2 Bitcoins and 1 million naira, which one are you going to choose?
Bitcoin.
You don't know anything about crypto. How come you now know?
Because I shall know that one Bitcoin is very expensive.
Take this your mouth and sit on it.
I'll choose 2 bitcoins.
Why?
Business. Because I feel like that 2 bitcoins, if it should, I don't know how to put it. I don't have more, but I know.
I didn't say it. You said it. Oh, I didn't say it. You said it. It's okay.
2 bitcoins, definitely. 2 bitcoins is about $40,000. Why 1 million naira is just about $2,000 or thereabouts.
So if we give you 2 bitcoins and 5 million naira, which one are you going to choose?
2 Bitcoin. Now, 1 Bitcoin I think is 21,000. That's approximately, I think, almost 10 million naira. I think. So I'll prefer the 2 Bitcoin to that 5 million. It's a 5 million help.
You! Oh, yeah, get out from my face.
Alright guys, it's a wrap for this Vox Pop. As you can see, Enugu people love money. Even those that don't know about cryptocurrency are choosing 2 bitcoins over 1 million naira. How do you guys know that? Alright, don't forget to follow us at Obiex HQ on all platforms. See you soon.
Finding love in Lagos is not a joke. If you have love in Lagos, now and it's genuine love, hold the person. Love scarce, die, like love.
Now rubbish full outside.
Effortless love, like selfless love, where
You know there.
it is scarce. So you know Abuja boy, go to bring your baby come. Love no day, yo. Love no, but like if you see genuine love here.
Hold it.
So that island Milan, now trashy. I did Milan. I bring my babe come island with the ball. If I ball for island, you go think say I be island. I go my mainland, go also again. It's happening now. Anyhow, sometimes I ball on the mainland too. Yeah. But when I ball on the mainland, I'm ballagy compared to when I ball here. When I ball here, I'm baller.
On budget.
Baller on budget. Exactly. So I mean, different things. So love, forget love. If you see love for Sapele, Kafasha, anywhere. But if you see genuine love, go down. Because it is cast for this Lagos. Because the babes here, the guys here, forget all of over does the wine ourselves. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on Obiex. Don't miss out.
I strongly believe in cheap throws. I get 4 or 5 friends, we're in the same corner. Yo, guys, how far? We know if you buy Hennessy. The best part is to just go there, get your liquor, then enjoy, have a good time with your friend. It doesn't have to be top notch. Like, I want to get fruit salad. They say, oh, for fruit salad, if you buy it from the store, where you get it for 5K. Bro, I can easily go meet my fellow Aboki people. Like, yo, broski.
And make your own.
I mean, give me this and go back and blend it. So, yeah, for me, I'm an advocate for cheap throws. Like, have fun and function. Wherever you're, just have fun. I strongly believe in cheap throws. I get 4 or 5 friends, we're in the same corner. Yo, guys, how far? We know if you buy Hennessy. The best part is to just go there, get your liquor, then enjoy, have a good time with your friend. It doesn't have to be top notch. Like, I want to get fruit salad. They say, oh, for fruit salad, if you buy it from the store, where you get it for 5K. Bro, I can easily go meet my fellow Aboki people. Like, yo, broski.
And make your own.
I mean, give me this and go back and blend it. So, yeah, for me, I'm an advocate for cheap throws. Like, have fun and function. Wherever you're, just have fun.
Everything crypto happens on OBS. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on OBX. Don't miss out.
Hi guys, welcome to OBX's live session, our first official live session. Right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Uh, so So say something in the comment section, guys. Say hi to us. Tell us where you're watching from. Would like to meet you. Would like to hear from you. Say something nice to us in the comment section. Give us a shout out. Give Jeremy a shout out. Give Obiex a shout out. Say something nice. Come on. Tell me where you're watching from. Most especially, let's have fun in the comment section, guys. All right, guys, you're welcome. Obiex, we're very happy to host this section. Everybody knows that it's currently the crypto bull run, right? And we're very excited about it. Some people have been taking profits, and they're very excited. They're happy they have been taking profits, and we cannot wait to join them. If you haven't joined them, this is a beautiful opportunity. We have a special guest with us today who will be joining us. Jerome, the CEO of Obiex, will be coming today. He'll be telling us everything special and everything unique about the bull run and how to cash out, how to capitalize the bull run. So right now, I'm bringing on stage Jerome Okeke, CEO of Obiex. Hi, Jerome.
Hi, Michael. Thank you for having me here.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And you?
Doing good. We're doing good. Some people said I should ask you if there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this session.
Everybody's in profit.
Okay, guys, we just hang in there. Maybe at the end of this session, maybe you never know, there might be some giveaway at the end for you. We're very excited to have you here. Welcome wherever you're watching from. We're happy to have you. Share this on your Instagram. Go to your WhatsApp. Tell your friends to join us. Tell your friends that we're currently live. We're about to share some very deep nuggets and deep knowledge. Tell your friends and your enemies. Tell your family people so everybody will be able to take profit with you this period. So yeah, welcome, Jerome. So yes, would you like just quickly introduce yourself? Tell us something interesting about you.
Okay, my name is Ikechukwu Okeke, Jerome. The CEO of Obiex. Something interesting about me. I've been trading crypto since since 2016. I wouldn't say that I got into crypto very early, but when Nigeria is concerned, as far as Nigeria is concerned, I got in the time like crypto became a thing in Nigeria. I mean, I know most of our peers in crypto right now, we all joined in 2016. And then since then, I've been building solutions around crypto. Interesting thing, I love traveling, but I don't like flying. So you can see the twist. And I'm just like a guy that likes crypto, then just like building solutions there. Maybe probably when we are talking, you get to understand more about how I think and then how I see things, and then I think it will speak more about me than I ever can say.
That's beautiful. That's exciting. So one thing you might not know, guys, is Jerome is very passionate about crypto. And I'm very sure that in this live session, he's going to even be toning it down. You should see him talk about crypto with his friends and rant about crypto and the future. So, but we hope that we're able to get the best of him, at least get some of that energy today in this live session. Yes. All right. It's great. Success is watching from Rwanda. We're very excited to have you here. Success. Welcome. Welcome, guys. All right. Very quickly, Jerome. So, first of all, tell us what causes the bull run?
That is a very funny question. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, when people are buying a particular stock or when people are investing in a particular company, the prices go up ultimately. And then when a whole lot of people are doing the same action at the same time, it causes a sporadic effect. And then the prices of the stock or the prices of the company, the stock price of the company start going up. I think that is what characterizes as a bull market. So, like a bull market, in my own definition, it's a session of the market whereby everything is almost green. Most stocks are going up, and then prices are really going up, and people are getting returns from their investment. There are a whole lot of things that could possibly cause the bull market, like when there is a stimulus, a cash stimulus in the economy. For example, during the COVID, we saw different economies, different countries injecting cash into the economy to stimulate the effect of the COVID. When people have free money coming from the government, sometimes they don't have what to do with it than to buy stocks. And then you saw prices like stocks like GameStop and a whole lot of other stocks, Apple and Tesla. People were just buying with the free money they were getting from the government, Bitcoin, and then the whole lack of. That is just it. So the bull market is that stage of the market whereby just everything is going, and people are like in that euphoria, and then everybody is just buying one stock or the other, and the prices just keep on going up.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you very much for that answer. Yes. So tell us. So what are the signs we should be looking out for that might suggest the crypto market is on an upswing or on the upswing? Tell us.
Okay, I think it's always there. The signs are always there. One of the things that characterized this bull market and then characterized the previous bull market we had in 2020 is the presence of institutions. Like we saw a whole influx of money from institutional investors during the last bull market, and then we are seeing it also again. ETF. It's like maybe probably the reason why the prices are running off so very much. An ETF is being fueled by institutional investors. We saw this happen the last time when institutional investors started entering into Bitcoin, and then they started buying Bitcoin and started buying other portfolios. The prices started skyrocketing. So that is one clear example from we've not had so many bull run cycle in crypto. So it's hard for us to say. I mean, it's not like a well-detailed market right now. But from the last two bull runs that we've seen, we could see also that whenever institutions show very keen interest in crypto, it brings us here. It causes a bull run. This will continue probably to a level whereby the market has become saturated, that when you pour billions into the market, it won't really affect the market. So, but provided the market is still within 1 million to 3 million, 1 trillion to 3 trillion market cap, it would always affect the market when these big institutions start pouring in a lot of billions into the market. We will see a very upward market. A downward market will singularly be when there is no volume in the market. For example, what really led one behavior of the market that I noticed that led to the bear market after the 2020 run was the lack of volume. We started seeing the market was dry. Prices were ranging, but there was not really volume. People were not really trading much. A lot of people have taken profit. People now need money to reinvest in their business or to go about their normal operations and stuff like that. It's really simple. When there is money like flowing in, the prices like always tend to go upwards. When there is no money flowing in, when there are more flowing out, the prices always go down. So for people there might be more technical experts that will have a whole lot more advanced opinions. But for me, I think it's very simple. It's to follow the money. Whenever there is inflow, whenever there's more money going into a particular stock, it's clear indication that the stock price will go up. When there is more money leaving, it's clear indication that the stock price will go down. So those are really simple characteristics of an upward market and a downward market.
Thank you very much, Jerome. So I think one thing everybody has to take note from everything you just said is once government institutions and all the big agencies are beginning to make moves and conversations around crypto, that's a very important time to take note and look at it.
Yes.
That's beautiful. So the next question now when it comes to the issue of crypto, some people have been burnt. Some people have sworn that they will never go back into crypto anymore or have anything to do with crypto, right? Some people are not very sure about how to predict the fluctuations or go about it. So next question is, with all the fluctuations in crypto, how do we tell the difference between a quick surge and a lasting upward trend?
It's really funny. It's really interesting. But you see, the thing is that the market has like different cycles, right? Even in bull market, in a proper bull market, there are always like quick surges, and there are also like sharp declines. It happens in every market, whether bull market or a bear market. There are always quick surge. There are always sharp decline as well. What could be the reason why these things happen in the market? I can't really say. I don't really know, but it's not something that happens in a particular market cycle. It happens both in the bull market and in the bear market. There's also what we call bull trap. There's also what we call bear trap. Bear trap is a situation whereby there is a quick surge in the market, and where people think, "Oh, the bull market is here," but it's only just a quick market a quick market spike, whereby investors want to probably cash up. They are pumping a stock or a token to a place where they're comfortable to sell, and then a whole lot of people will buy into the pump, and then these investors will exit the market on them. I mean, so I think a way to be able to, I don't know a way to be able to identify this before it happens or when it's happening, because I mean, I can only say, oh, this is what happened. But I think a way to be able to not fall victims to these things is like, for example, it's defining your trading strategies, right? I mean, for most investors, a proper way for most investors to trade will be for them to most probably buy into a token, like research on a particular token they are very comfortable with, one with strong indicators, then they buy into the token and find a good entry. Once they buy into the token, then they hold the token till they are comfortable with selling or whatever money they are making. They're comfortable with their profit margin. It's also very necessary for them to also set stop loss so that they could be able to control the loss just in case things go sad. I think why people fall victim to things like quick market spikes or sharp market declines are because, like, when people are entering and then exiting a trade like as frequent as possible, probably like when they are trying to scalp, they're always likely to fall victim into this, like when they are scalp and where they are, because I don't think there are so much expert traders to be able to always, scalp the market accurately and then be able to make money each time you're scalping the market. So where people always is in entering a trade and then exiting a trade, they are more prone to be able to fall victim to these quite quick market spikes and market declines.
That's beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing. That's quite insightful. Okay, so right now, all of this talk that we're having, if there's no way we can take profit and make money, it's not necessary, right? So, in the midst, next question we have is, in the midst of a crypto boom, how do smart investors spot those hidden gems and make the most of the opportunities to make a profit? I think most times all the attention is on Bitcoin, but we know Bitcoin is the Bitcoin is a big boy in the crypto space, right? But there are other hidden gems that people don't know about. Some of the coins that we look at now, we're very happy about. What's it called? The Binance coin was at some point a hidden gem before it blew up, right, and became big. That's BNB. So, what are some of these hidden gems currently that people can look at and be able to spot right now when they are still hidden before they become open? What are some of these strategies smart investors can use?
Okay, I think what people can do very much is, apart from institutions and then government interest, there are particular narratives that drive the bull market, right? This thing happened the last bull market, and there are particular narratives that are also driving the bull market currently. And the first narrative, it's the AI. It's the AI revolution. It's AI. Last bull market, it was all about DeFi. It was all about DeFi. Then we saw the metaverse and then the likes of that. This period, we have AI. The AI narrative, it's really driving the market right now. We can see AI tokens like Tau. Tau has already done I think it's more than $4 billion market cap right now. I mean, it's really, people has really made money, a lot of money on it. And we also have some other tokens like Tatsu, and then some other AI tokens. So I mean, I cannot particularly tell people like gems to to invest in. But what I can say, it's always look out for narratives that are driving the market. Like the AI narratives are driving the market right now. We also have layer one and then the layer two tokens. Those tokens are really like good buys right now, and AI tokens as well. And then maybe probably also it's not necessarily that people probably might not invest in all these high tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum and all those ones can still be very big, good sell, good buy, depending on the size or the capital investment that you're doing into the market. But yeah, I think for maybe a noob or someone that is not ready to advance into the market, an easy place they could get into the market or an easy entry for them into the market right now will probably be AI tokens or maybe layer one or layer two tokens right now.
That's beautiful. Thank you very much. So now, if guys, if this is the point at the session where you have to begin to pay attention and listen closely, right? If Jerome is mentioning some coins, you have to pay attention. Jerome knows what he's talking about, right? Not financial advice, right? But I am going to make sure Jerome gives us value in this session. So right now, Jerome, I want you to mention 5 tokens, right? You mentioned a couple of, I know people will have to do their research, yeah, but just mention 5 top tokens people should look at right now to be able to maximize profit in currently for this bull run. Just give us 5. Guys, pay attention. This is it. Carry your notes and your pen. Jerome is about to go wild on this. Carry your pen, carry your notes, take notes now and do your research. All right, let's go, Jerome. Top 5 tokens.
I mean, that is really putting me on the spot.
I have to.
Then it will be me giving people financial advice. That I've been advised.
It's not financial advice, but at least something, a guide that they can, be able to
like
do their own research on.
Like I said, people should look onto Bitcoin. I mean,
okay.
People should look onto Bitcoin. Bitcoin will still do great things. And then people should look at AI tokens. There are a couple of them that are doing so much. You see, there is Tao, there is Tatsu, there is MDT, there is Randa, there is a whole lot of them. Then also, not to forget, meme coins. It's meme coin season, so grab your bags, grab some of your meme tokens, your favorite meme tokens. I don't know, because meme tokens are like things that are, you can never say which token will really make it. But there are people I know that are betting big on Shiba. I don't know why, but there are just people that are betting big on Shiba. I don't know if Shiba will still pull any major thing this year. But yeah, there are probably new meme tokens that have taken the stage right now. But yeah, if you get some meme tokens and then get some AI tokens and then get maybe some Ethereum or Bitcoin, I think you should be okay for the bull market. One thing I will advise people is this: one common mistake people make during bull market is this: bull market, they think they have to be everywhere because everything is pumping. They want to be everywhere. They want to buy A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z. That is probably why people would not make money during bull market. A bull market is a kind of a market situation. Like, you have to understand the characteristics of a bull market. A bull market is a market situation whereby you invest maybe 10% of your capital and then you make more than 100% of your capital. For example, let's say you have a capital base of 200K. In a proper bull market, you can invest only 20K and then you'll be making the returns of almost the same size of your capital. That is 200K. So one mistake people make is that they take their 200K or their whole capital and they scatter it into a whole lot of tokens. And then you see them doing guesswork. They are exiting, they are entering, they are exiting, they are entering, and they are exiting, and they are entering again. Because they have all their capital at stake, and then they don't want to lose money. So they do not have the patience to wait for the particular token to move or to get to a particular price. So these things often make people lose money or not make money during a bull market. So you don't need much token. You just need to find probably 2, 3, 4 projects that you really think the fundamentals are strong, and then buy into them at a good price, and then wait. Most of the work on the bull market is waiting. You just have to wait. So I think post halving will be really good. Will be really will be really hot. There will be a whole lot of upward movement. Just like find like 3, 4, or 2 tokens that you're very comfortable. Some people just go all in one. I mean, once you find that token that you believe the fundamentals are good, just get into it. So just avoid, like, as much as possible, buying into a whole lot of projects. It never ends well, provided you are not an expert trader.
All right, thank you very much, Jerome. We appreciate it. So if you guys are listening, you see I've made sure Jerome has given us value in this first session, right? So Jerome has mentioned a few gems, so pay attention to them. I hope you have your notes out, and I hope you've written a few down. You begin to do your research on these coins. These are not financial advice, but you have to do your own research on all. So by the time we get back, we'll talk more on strategy and a few of these ideas. So we'll take a quick short break. Don't go anywhere, guys. In the comment section, tell us some of these coins that you heard and that you're going to jump and do your research on after this session. So a quick break, and we'll be back. See you guys shortly.
Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yes, I have. I mean, Bitcoin is everywhere.
I don't hear him now.
I'm na Bitcoin boom. Ihe ego. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n máa ń rà á látòrí kọ̀ǹpútà wọn tàbí orí fóònù wọn láti fi di owó mọ́lẹ̀.
Have you heard of Obiex?
Obiex.
I don't hear him.
Here, this is our app. Try buying Bitcoin.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you.
Sounds the app safe, fine.
I just got my first Bitcoin from Obiex.
No, I don't buy $100.
Komai sauki. Komai a cikin ruwan sanyi.
Amma dum na din photo.
That's easy.
Experience crypto with ease. Download the Obiex app now.
Mo ti ra tó ní $100. Hey!
Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on OBX. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on Obiex. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out.
All right, guys, welcome back. So come on, in the comment section, I want to see some engagement. Tell us what you remember. Tell us if you've written down something on the last coins we talked about. Tell us some of the tokens that you are going to be doing your research on. I want to, maybe somebody else missed something, maybe they just get to remember from you. So tell us something. So we're bringing Jerome back on stage now, right? So for the next session, we're going to be jumping straight into strategy and more questions around strategy, right? For this, so welcome back, Jerome. So I think for the next question I have, right? So after now, we'll just take a few questions as well. So prepare your questions, guys. Whatever question you have, prepare it. Jerome is here to answer all your questions, right? So when it comes to strategy, I think one of the people who have been successful in the crypto space is you. You did not just go on to be successful. You went on to build a successful crypto exchange as well. It tells that you know what you're doing. You've been in crypto for a very long time. So tell us, what are some of the strategies? You've mentioned some of these strategies already. If you have 200,000, do not put all your 200,000. Start with $20,000. Start with something small. So for someone who has $1,000 budget, $500 budget, right? $10,000 budget, 5,000, 7,000. What is your advice on how exactly they can manage their resource or their capital while going into the bull markets?
Micah, thank you for that question. When I joined crypto, when I came into crypto, I thought I was gonna be rich like in a few days' time. It happens that way. I mean, and then when I look back, it's almost going to 10 years, right? Just look about, like, I don't think about it, but when I look back, it's almost going to 10 years, which means like it's probably the time for whatever you're doing in an industry to materialize. You talk about 5 to 10 years. It's very important that people learn the right strategies to use when, especially in the market like this. A bull market does not last forever. I mean, like when we talk about crypto, when I talk about myself, we're talking about crypto generally. But I guess we're talking about the bull market right now. And the bull market is probably something that will last a couple of months. The first strategy you do is to avoid exposing yourself to a whole lot of tokens. Don't do it. You might see people that buy 10 tokens, 20 tokens, and then make money. But if you probably go to in the internet and then research a bit about some of the most successful traders in the world, you'll see that it's just one trade, one asset they traded that they made their name with. It's just one asset that they were extremely sure about, and then they went all in. So I'm not saying you should just buy one token, but try to limit the number of tokens that you're buying as much as possible. That is one strategy. Number two, it's a bit of research is good. It's always good for you to listen to experts, to people that give signals, and then the likes of that. But it's very also important that you are sure of your investment. Consider your investments as something you hold on to for a very long time. If the bull market ends tomorrow, what is that project that you comfortably still hold the tokens, knowing that during the next bull market it will do exceedingly well, or during the next 2 5 years it will do exceedingly well? Those are the kind of tokens or the kind of projects you should buy into. So it's also good for you to do your research. You might listen to signal people that have signal groups. You might listen to influencers. You might listen to expert traders that give you advice, but also have some time to go and then research on your own. Go to communities, go to social media, go to Google, and then go to the project's website, read about the projects, and see what this project is really about and why it makes sense for you to buy into this project. Also, when you're buying crypto, consider each crypto that you're buying, each token you are buying as a company. It works really well if you think about this as a company. If you are an investor, which company would you really invest in? I mean, I think that is how, like, I like to buy my long-term projects. Like, if you're a company, if you're an investor, which company would you really invest in? What is this company all about? It's not because automatically, just because it's a crypto token does not mean it will just go up and then go up, or it will do well. That is a common misconception. So it all depends on what the company does, also what their goal is, and what the real life application is. Also, I didn't mention, but real world assets are things that you should also look into. Tokens in that category would also do very well because a lot of investors are investing in real world assets. They want real world assets tokenized, and there are a lot of regulations that are being made on those angle in the world today, and so it's something that is really gaining traction right now. So these future strategies are just like things that you can explore, and then you can be able to make a good thing out of the bull market and out of your whole time in crypto as well. So like I said, the most of the time is in the waiting. So when you have found these tokens that you're very comfortable with, and then you have bought them, you just wait. And then for people that have $1,000, it's as much as someone that has $20,000. I think what it's most important is in your returns. How much returns are you getting? 20% return, 50% return, 2x return, 5x return, and then that is it. It's not. I don't think really that the capital that you are investing matters much. Is are you investing in good tokens, and then what returns are you getting back? Because I mean, for someone trading with 200K, also there are people trading with $2 billion, and then the whole likes of that. So you should actually look at good projects at fantastic prices. Like if you can find good projects that are still at a very cheap price, I think you should buy into those tokens and then just wait.
Thank you very much, Jerome, for that. So, guys, do not jump around projects. Do your research before you jump into project, and manage your resources as much as you can. Thank you very much, Jerome. We have to ask this question. you're the CEO of OBX. What is OBX doing, right, for us to be able to maximize profit in this bull run? Because I know that OBX has been doing it. So one thing about OBX, guys, is OBX is very interested in your progress and your growth, and you hear it from the ads who keep playing. Everything crypto happens on OBX. So want to hear from Jerome. What are some of the things OBX is doing to make sure people can be able to take profit from this bull run?
Yeah, thank you. So crypto has a whole lot of applications, and when it concerns OBX, we are very much particular on making crypto really easy for people. Like you said, everything crypto happens on OBX. Yes, starting from we kind of serve like a layer between us and all these crypto projects that we're talking about, all these applications. Like if you want to buy AI tokens, you want to buy real world asset tokens, you want to buy layer two tokens, you need to first of all move your fiat to crypto, maybe USDT or BTC before you start buying with OBX come into that place. And then you've bought and then you've cashed out your profit. And then now you need to move back to fiat, to Naira, whatever, OBX come. First of all, we serve as a layer to enable people to move from their local currency into crypto. That is the first stage for anybody that is coming into crypto. They need to move into crypto first. They move into the base, probably USDT or BTC. They need to move into the base. We serve as a layer there. And then also there are a couple of about 30 tokens that you can trade easily on OBX. You can buy with other crypto or you can buy with your local currency. There are some meme coins, there are like BTC, there are Ethereum, there are Solana, and then a whole lot of other tokens also you can trade on OBX. One more thing OBX does is that OBX actually prevents the need for you to even have a proper bank account or for you to use a proper bank account. Because in a situation whereby we are in a bull market or we are in an interesting cycle of the market, you see people go all in crypto. I mean, when they are all in crypto, it makes it extremely difficult for them to always have to move their money into their bank account to be able to buy simple things like utilities. So we have that feature on the app whereby you could probably purchase all your utilities, airtime, data, cable TV subscription, utility, your light bills, and the whole likes of it on OBX straight from your crypto wallet. We make that possible. One of the two other interesting features that people are going to see in OBX in the coming months are the N, whereby people can stake their crypto, that they can lock their crypto and then be able to earn interest on the crypto. So let's say for people that have that are already for me, I'm always in crypto. So for people like me that are always in crypto, why just keep your money where you can also put your money on OBX and then be able to earn returns on it? That is one feature people are going to see in coming months. Another feature people are going to see in coming months is the lending feature. So the lending is something that we are really very particular about because it's an interesting product. In a bull market like this, I mean, sometimes there are calls that there are tokens that launch or there are calls that are being made, and then you'll be like, I need to get into this token. Probably you are already exposed on another token. Let's say you, for example, you bought BTC and then you are wandering around and then you saw one particular token that have a very high potential of giving you returns. Then you need to buy those tokens. But you're already in BTC or you're already exposed in BTC, and then you don't have money to buy those tokens. Or let's give another example. You bought Ethereum with your money, and then now you need to sort one issue, but you already have your money in Ethereum and you don't have extra cash to be able to sort those issues. What this lending product does for you is that it allows you for you to stake those tokens like the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and be able to pull a USDT loan or USDC loan against it to be able to do whatever you're doing and or buy other tokens that you want to buy or use it to sort whatever you have to. So if you actually need money to handle things, you don't really need to liquidate your crypto position to be able to get money. We easily allow you to be able to stake that crypto position and then get loan, like stable asset loan or fiat loan or Naira loan against your crypto assets to be able to handle whatever you are doing, or to be able to use and do whatever business that you want to do. So I think it's an interesting because it will give people more opportunity. For someone that has like $10,000 capital, with $10,000 capital, they can have a purchasing value of almost $20,000. First on the crypto asset they have bought with the $10,000, and then on the loan they could be able to pull about 8,000 loan, 80% loan, $8,000 loan on that, and to be able to probably buy other asset or to be able to do whatever. It helps people amplify their purchasing power, and then also provides quick cash for them to do whatever they want to do at the moment. So these, and then probably a whole lot more interesting features that people could use OBX for. So OBX is just like that home app that like you could we also have the wallet feature whereby people can store their crypto in OBX. So it's that home app whereby you can use to be able to interface around anything crypto, like from the base to the like more complicated part.
All right, thank you very much, Jerome. So, guys, you have heard it. Everything crypto happens on OBX, right? And according to Jerome, we'll have some amazing features coming up, and we cannot wait for that. So, guys, we're approaching the end of the session, right? But before we go, we have to hear from you. Jerome is here now. If there's something you want OBX to do for you, this is a time to drag the CEO of OBX to make sure what you want gets done. Or if you have a particular feature you'd like to see, now is a good time to ask in the comment section about that feature, to have it brought on OBX just for you. OBX will do it, right? And if you have any question, right, regards the bull run, what you need to do, if you have any other question, we mentioned a couple of tokens, but whatever question you have, now is a good time. I'll take questions in the comment section, ask your questions, and we're going to answer all of them here today. All right, Jerome, that's been a great session. I think I have one last question for you. FOMO. If you don't know FOMO, guys, FOMO is the fear of missing out, right? So you are there and somebody is saying, I just cashed that 100K, $1,000 on crypto. Now I just put $10. I just got $50. Just put, fear of missing out. So FOMO can be a real struggle. Question goes, FOMO can be a real struggle, especially when everyone seems to be cashing in during bull markets. How do you remain focused on your trades?
I think most important thing is people need to define what they want. A lot of people don't really know what they want. People need to define what they want. And then when you define what you want, you have to be laser focused. Don't be distracted. FOMO is good, but FOMO causes trouble for people. There are a whole lot of people that made money last bull market because they got lucky, bought one token, and then that token did 1000x. Understood. But most of those money, they lost it also in the market because one thing is that people, noobs, don't stay one place. They jump around. And then when they jump around, whatever money they make, they end up losing all of it. It's FOMO. They keep on, once they hear this is what is on, they jump into it, and then they lose money, they jump out. They hear there is another one, they jump into it, they lose money, they jump out. Probably the one they jumped into the previous time after they're moving, but because they have left to jump into another one, they go back to jump in again and they start going down and then they jump out again. So this a lot of jumping in and then jumping out because of FOMO. It's actually very bad. People need to define. The strategy I like is for you to wait for the market to come to you. Actually, like I said, you have to identify tokens that you're comfortable with. It has to be personal conviction. These tokens are tokens you can hold even when the market is bleeding. You are convinced that, this token, like once markets start recovering, these tokens will recover with the market. So you just get yourself convinced, and then you buy these tokens and then you just hold. Sometimes people are like, you'll be like, I could have bought this, I could have bought this, I could have bought this. But those things happen in the market. And people that pursue those kind of things are people that actually lose money in the market. There's a popular adage that says 1% of traders, 10% of traders make money, whereby 90% of traders lose money. And I think it's true because the other 90% are just chasing trends, jumping in from one token to another, FOMOing into one or two tokens and then FOMOing out and all those things. So it's not something I would advise for. But for new traders, it always happen to new traders. But it's not something I would advise. You stick with your trades, guys. So far you're convinced on the whatever asset you've bought, stick with it. It's also good. And when I say stick with it, I don't mean like when you buy a token, you should marry the token forever. If you think like during the time that you have held this token, that the projections of the token is no longer sound. I mean, sometimes companies can lag and then become not serious, or maybe trends will leave them or stuff like that. You can always exit and then find the next best thing. But this whole constant running from here to here to here to here, people would never make money through it. And then the one thing you will know is that look at the number of people that are pursuing the meme coin tokens. There's so many millions of people that are putting their money in meme coins, but how many of them are actually making the money? Just a very small number of them, because the rest of them are FOMOing in, FOMOing out. The what they have made with a particular meme coin, they go to lose it in another meme coin. And then it continues like that. They make money, they lose it, they make money. Making money in crypto is one thing. How to preserve that money is another thing.
Thank you very much, Jerome. So, guys, do not let FOMO you out of your money. So, whatever you're doing, do a research and stick to your research. Thank you very much, Jerome. So, we have a few questions, about two of them, but we'll take one. We had a question that came in a lot earlier from Success, and the question goes, what are your thoughts on Telegram trading bots? Are they safe and effective?
Yeah, so there are some bots that are really safe, but one thing I will always advise people: if you're using Telegram bots to trade, make sure that you have your private keys or you have your seed phrase in another wallet, so that when things go sideways, you can always withdraw your funds. Don't just leave all your money on those bots. Make sure you have your seed phrase or your private keys, restored in a proper wallet. Like for example, if you are using Solana trading bots, make sure you have your token, your seed phrase restored into like wallets like Phantom. I you know I there are some hacks that has been happening for people that have connected their wallets to some bots and stuff like that. I mean, this is crypto. Whole lot of things are always happening. You can never say bots are safe, bots are unsafe. They are safe until they stop becoming safe. So always protect yourself. I know that if you work with the idea that you can be exposed at any particular point in time, it makes it easy for you. So always be vigilant. If you use this bot, make sure you have your wallet restored in a proper wallet. Then also avoid unnecessary connections. Like if you're in public places and you don't really need an internet, avoid connect here. And then also, I mean, a whole lot of people that are exposed to scams or to risk in crypto are also people that are connecting to a whole lot of dApps. Connecting to a decentralized app is one thing. Disconnecting from it is another thing. Most times when you connect to this decentralized app, you never disconnect. It's just there. And then when it's compromised, you yourself, you become compromised as well. Like the airdrop guys and stuff like that, they always connecting to a whole lot of things. I mean, I cannot really know what you're connecting to, so it's difficult for me to know whether what you're connecting to is safe or unsafe. But there are like very quick measures that you can use, like for example, restoring your wallet in a proper wallet, and also being careful of whatever you are connecting to, and whatever you've connected to, once you're not making use of it again, please disconnect, because nobody you be deaf. So yeah,
All
that is
right, thank you very much, Jerome. No be you be deaf, so be careful when you're out there, all right? And trying to use bots and assistances, just be careful. Thank you very much, Jerome. We have a question from Chris now. It says, what is your view on BRC20 narratives?
Yeah, I mean, it was sorry to say, but it was really a pain in the ass because he made the whole mempool go. Made the whole fee on Bitcoin go. But they are onto like really big things, for people to figure out a way to those things like create NFTs on Bitcoin. It was really good. I don't really know right now, but I think they were on the beginning of the whole bull market. I think they are part of the things that led us here, but right now there have not really been much attention on them. I can't really say about the future, but I know that they were really building on solid stuff, some solid stuff on the on Bitcoin, and it really made sense at that moment. But I think we still have a long way to go. I mean, there are people that are also there are people that I know that are picking up some BRC tokens now that the hype has really gone that they think that it's a good place to pick up some very solid ones. So, but for me, it's not really something that I'm personally, like I would always say, it's not something that I'm personally gingered about. But like I said, I know a whole lot of people, like a whole lot of market experts that are also picking up that. So I think it still have a long way to go.
All right, thank you very much, Jerome. We appreciate people are already like dropping comments in the comment section. And this was a very insightful session. Thank you very much for pouring yourself out. Thank you very much for giving us value. Right. So this, guys, is the end of our session. We're very excited you were able to hang out with us this evening, and we hope that you have at least gotten some sort of value during this session. Thank you very much, guys, for hanging out with us. We appreciate you. And guys, everything crypto happens on OBX, right? Download the OBX app. It's on your Google Play Store. It's on your Apple Store, right? Just go to your Apple Store, type OBX app, and you see the OBX app. Download whatever you have to do, from airtime, your television, right? Whatever you have to do, subscriptions, you barely have to touch fiat or have to touch your local currency. With OBX, you can access all your services that you usually use, right? OBX is accessible in most African countries. We're live in Nigeria, we're live in Cameroon, we're live in Ghana, and we're expanding to more African countries as well, guys. And we're building amazing products in the future. The Learn future, crazy features are coming in the future. Tell your friends about OBX, download the app, visit our website. If you have questions, follow us across all our social media handles, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Send us a message, say something nice to us. We're on Instagram, we're going to respond to you. And if you found this insightful, this is always here for a replay. So take a screenshot, share to your Instagram, share to your friends, let them come back and rewatch this, and come back to gain some value. And you can always come back here to watch this session again. Thank you very much, guys, for hanging out with us. And do have a great evening. Bye, guys.
Have you heard of Bitcoin?
Yes, I have. I mean, Bitcoin is everywhere.
I don't hear him now.
I'm na Bitcoin boom. Ihe ego. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọ́n máa ń rà á látòrí kọ̀ǹpútà wọn tàbí orí fóònù wọn láti fi di owó mọ́lẹ̀.
Have you heard of Obiex?
Obiex.
I don't hear him.
Here, this is our app. Try buying Bitcoin.
Okay, that would be nice. Thank you.
How's the app say fine?
I just got my first Bitcoin from Obiex.
No. I don't buy $100.
Komai sauki. Komai a cikin ruwan sanyi.
Amma dum na din photo.
That's easy.
Experience crypto with ease. Download the Obiex app now.
Mo ti ra tó ní $100. Hey!
Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on OBX. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience. Everything crypto happens on OBS. Experience fast and easy trading on Obiex. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out.
I have a friend who's an influencer. And
Finding love in Lagos is not a joke. if you have love in Lagos, now and it's genuine love, the person. Love scars die, like love.
Now rubbish full outside.
Effortless love, like selfless love, where
You know they.
It this scarce. So you the Abuja boy, go to bring your baby come. Love no day, yo. Love no, but like if you see genuine love here.
Hold it.
So that island Milan, now trashy. I did Milan. I bring my babe come island with the ball. If I ball for island, you go think say I be island. I go my mainland, go also again. It's happening now. Anyhow, sometimes I ball on the mainland too. Yeah. But when I ball on the mainland, I'm ballagy compared to when I ball here. When I ball here, I'm baller.
On budget.
Baller on budget.
Exactly. So I mean, different things. So love, forget love. If you see love for Sapele, Kafasha, anywhere. But if you see genuine love, hold on. Because it discuss for this Lagos. Because the babes here, the guys here, forget all of us does the wine ourselves.
I strongly believe in cheap throws. I get
jingle bell, jingle all the way. It's simple, yeah, make I get you way. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. It's simple, yeah, come make I show you the way. Jingle all the way. Obiex don't come, make everybody start to jolly, yeah. Make una run gone, we wanna wish you happy holidays. No matter where you come from, make everybody start to jolly, yeah. This one no be play. If you want buy, sell and swap, oh shit. No time to dead or transfer, oh shit. We even get it dollar card. So this December you go jolly back, oh shit. You still want to transfer, oh shit. P2P we go provide them, oh shit. Tell me why you no go like them, why you no go like them. Jingle all the way. It's simple, yeah, make I get you way. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. It's simple, yeah, come make I show you the way. Jingle all the way. Obiex don't come, make everybody start to jolly, yeah. Make una run gone, we wanna wish you happy holidays. No matter where you come from, make everybody start to jolly, yeah. This one no be play. If you want buy, sell and swap, oh shit. No time to dead or transfer, oh shit. We even get it dollar card. So this December you go jolly back, oh shit. You still want to transfer, oh shit. P2P we go provide them, oh shit. Tell me why you no go like them, why you no go like them.